Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix you have created too many pages in recent time. This kind of occur when you click on pages and you want to create a new page simply by clicking on create. And if you put the name of the page and you do all the settings and you will face the error of you have created too many pages, then I will tell you how you can fix that error. First of all, the solution is in the error which says you have created too many pages. If you have created 3 or more pages in recent time, then you cannot create more pages. So what you have to do is you have to at least delete one page so that you can create a new. For this you have to switch your profile to that page you want to delete. After you have switched that page profile, you can simply open that Facebook page profile and you have to click on 3 lines. In 3 lines you have to go for the settings of that page. After scrolling down, here you have to scroll down and you have to click on settings and privacy. After that you have to click on settings and you have to search for delete setting of the pages. As you can see, if you search for delete, then here is an option which is as delete that page. So you have to select permanently delete that page option. So after clicking on continue and providing the password of your profile, this page will be deleted. So after deleting that page, you can simply create a new page on your profile. If you have not created too many pages and the still is the problem, so what you have to do is you have to open your profile and you have to report that problem to Facebook team so that they can solve it for you. For this you have to click on 3 lines. In 3 lines you have to scroll down and you have to search for help and support. You have to click on that. After that you have to click on report a problem. In report a problem you have to click on that. After you have clicked on report a problem, then this kind of interface will appear. So you have to click on dot include and you have to select the topic of the problem you are facing. You are facing pages problem. So here you have to explain the problem which I have already written. So you have to simply paste that I am unable to create a page due to error. You have created too many pages. Even I have not created many pages. Please fix this problem. Moreover, you can also provide the screenshot of the problem. After doing all things, you can simply click on submit and your report will be submitted to Facebook team, and within few days your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.